Hello, welcome to a tutorial of how to upload to VROID hub your Clonex. You have to click on submit avatar. We select a file. In this case I'm going to select the high quality one that it's perfect for this, and we're going to call it parallel clone, and we upload it. Now we only need to wait, and the avatar is going to be uploaded. Perfect. Now we can put some tags. For example, I'm going to write Clonex. We can put we can take a photo. For example, I'm going to do. We can put here some emotions to the other. For example, thinking or not. Okay. This one, for example, we select OK, and we take a photo. Ooh, this one. Interesting. And then we can write some model description by a little clone. This is not needed, just in case you want. The important thing go here, that we have to select here edit condition of use, and what we have to select is yes, but here the first one, because in this one we can play in some VROID hub compatible games with this avatar, but people cannot download our avatar. So we select the first one and we select edit. And then edit browser, we put it public if we want. If we don't want, it's not needed, but public, and save and publish. So now, as we can see, we have our model here. This one is one that I uploaded the other day, that it's the same model but with a bad take jacket. Very cool one, and I can use it also in other games. Yeah, so this is the tutorial.